Okay, so I have my garden bed ready, and this is pretty much what I did because I don't know how much content I actually filmed for taking off this process, but yeah, it's pretty simple. You just grab your sod and lift it from the dirt. Just that easy, you know? Like all this grass here, it's pretty movable. No, it's not at all. It was a pain to actually get all of this dirt and grass out of here in the 6x12 area, but you know, it's what you gotta do. That's why you definitely make sure you have a long enough time to get that cardboard covered and wet the cardboard and put stuff on top of it. This way it gets rid of the grass so you don't have to do so much heavy lifting like I did. But another thing that I came across, all right, so you might be asking, what is this? And if you're not asking that, well, I'm gonna tell you anyway. This right here, I found when I was digging up the yard. It is the landscape edging to, I guess, keep the grass out of this particular bed. I simply just had to remove it. Now you can bet your that I tested my soil in this bed. I got my bag right here, scooped from different areas. I'm just curious, what is really going on underneath my grass? I suspect that this isn't going to be much different from the rest of my garden, but we'll see anyway. Well, I know it's not perfect, but I'm using these metal strips that I pulled out of my edges of my bed to kind of connect the wood together. Looks nice anyway, and we're gonna make it better, I promise.